Hi everyone, I want to spend a few minutes demonstrating Opstream's 2.0 version of our AI document extractor, which is an incredibly powerful tool where documents can be uploaded into Opstream directly by vendors, requesters, as well as approvers. And our AI extractor has the capability of automatically reading those respective files, as well as extracting key data points from those files as well. Key elements here is that for one, our data extractor is not limited to legal documentation only. So what you're seeing right now is I'm uploading a couple of different documents directly into our environment. Again, these could be uploaded either by requesters, by approvers, or can directly be uploaded by vendors as well. And the types of files that we can support are really not limited to legal documents, but could also, for example, include compliance documentation like a SOC 2, tax documentation like W-9s, but they can include price proposals, for example, as well. So I'm now uploading a couple of different types of documents directly into Opstream. You can see here in real time that our AI extractor is now reading and extracting key data points from those respective files as well. And then once done, you will see here a button popping up that says Need Validation. As a Opstream user, I can now directly navigate to this respective file. We're looking at an MSA, for example, here, 15-page document. And here on the right-hand side now, you can see all of the key data points that our AI extractor was able to automatically extract and identify from these respective files. So you can think, for example, about start dates, end dates. The type of document is automatically detected here. It obviously shows the parties that are involved with their respective contact details later on. But for example, also key terms and clauses such as renewal terms, termination conditions, confidentiality clauses, all of those details can be automatically read, identified, and extracted by our AI engine. And even details such as contract value or other commercial details like payment terms or SOW details, all of those can be directly pulled from those respective files as well. As a user, you now have the ability to override or make any edits to these respective clauses and details if need be. And once validated, once you feel that all of these data points are indeed correct, you can simply validate the data. And once you hit that button, all of those key data points are now automatically directly saved within your Opstream environment as well. I just showed you what an MSA looks like, but we could, for example, also look at a SOC 2 report here. Obviously, very different types of format, very different type of content as well. And you can, again, here see on the right-hand side all of the details with regard to this Opstream SOC 2 report. So the issue date, for example, the scope and details, also any other details with regards to system components and environment. All of the data points that our AI extractor deems to be relevant are now automatically extracted from these files too. And then finally, and not least importantly, I would also like to show you how our engine is effectively multilingual in nature. So I'm here uploading a MSA that is completely in Portuguese, so a 12-page document in Portuguese. And on the right-hand side here now, we can see all of the respective data points that are directly pulled from this Portuguese MSA as well, but directly translated into English because my Opstream instance in this particular situation is in fact in English. So even details as in-depth as insurance requirements, for example, all of those key data points can be identified by our engine and will then automatically be extracted without any manual involvement necessary whatsoever.